we are going to play our F major scale for flute. First octave, we're going to start with our lower F. Okay? Keep in mind when you play this F, that's the note that you want to get. If you blow your air too high, you get the higher F. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for our lower F. Okay? So, first note is our F, thumb, first, second, third, and first, and pinky down for everything except that D, as usual. Okay? In our key signature, we have only one flat, and that is B flat, so everything else is natural. So we have F, we have G, we have A, B flat, or the 1 and 1, whichever you prefer, and then C, then D. Remember, that's the only key without that E flat, and then E natural. For the E natural, first finger is down, third finger is up. So you have thumb, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and pinky. That is your E natural. Okay? And then F, and that's the top note in that scale. Okay? Now, continuing on with our fingerings, we're going to go ahead and finger the second octave. Okay? So we're starting with that F. Remember, for the second octave, our F starts here. Okay? That's our higher octave. Okay? So we have F, G, A, and then B flat, which you can do thumb in first or 1 and 1. It's up to you. And then C. And then for our D, we have thumb down on just that bottom key, 2, 3, and then pinky for support. First finger is up. Okay? That's our D. Now, for our E natural, it is 1, 2, thumb down on the bottom key. Don't use the top key. That'll come into play as we get a little bit higher in notes. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That is your E. Pinky 2, sorry. And then your F is thumb again, same thing on the bottom key, 1, 3, 1. Okay? So the high F is 1, 3, 1. Got it? So, let's play our lower octave. If you need to review these fingerings, please go ahead. 1, 2, ready. That's the first octave, so let's do that and let's go back down. Ready? That's our first octave. Now, let's start on that top F that we just played, and let's do that second octave. 1, 2, ready. That was our second octave. Keep in mind, if you had trouble with that, the higher you play, the faster you have to push your air, and the higher you have to point that air. If you're pointing your air directly at the screen or directly across from you, for the high E, high F, it's probably not going to come out because your air has to be going up. So you have to be thinking of pushing that air up because we just play it regularly, even with the correct fingering. Doesn't quite work, so you have to push that air up. So make sure that your air is moving fast, you have a small aperture, and you're pushing that air up. Thank you.